Whether you're looking for a family home or downsizing and still wanting a bit of room, this home at 18 Roma Close in Kanimbla Heights will be perfect for you. You're situated on a 701 metre squared block with no neighbours behind. You won't find many larger homes on the market with 334 metres squared of house. With a large triple garage with extra high ceilings and 7 metres deep, you got side access and entertainer's patio unlike anything on the market. Like a new home with fresh paint, new LED lighting, you'll appreciate the 5 kilowatt solar panel system and a top of the range barbecue outdoor setting. Inbuilt bar with 2 fridges and a spa area. Positioned in the sought after estate Kanimbla Heights, you're within 10 minutes of the CBD and only minutes to your local corner store with local convenience. Large family homes like this don't come on the market very often, so please don't hesitate to call for an inspection anytime. I'm Nickoli Obersky from One Stop Property.